Today we are in Laguna Beach, California, and we have an amazing listing for you. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-car garage, and the property is just under 2,500 square feet. The property is brought to you by Chandra Adam, and you can get all of her contact details all down in the description below. So please, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to her. And this currently is on the market for $2,499,000. And let's go ahead and take a look at what we get. All right, so we're gonna walk up the top of our landing here. So the cool thing, by the way, is when you walk up, so not only do you have a 2-car garage, you have 2-car parking, and you have another car parking, and even another car parking if you needed it in front of your house. So you could literally have 6 cars parking, which is not very common in Laguna Beach, especially at this price point, which is really good. So as we walk in the door, we are gonna take a little look here to the left. And right here, you can see this is gonna be your entertaining room, your den. It does have your little section right here that could definitely be your little library on both sides of the fireplace. Over here, we have that as well. And then that would lead us up into the dining room area, and then also the kitchen, which we'll get into in just a second. So back, if we take a look, this little area is an additional 180 square feet that's not on title. That is fantastic. The current seller was using this as an office space, which is a really cool spot. It even has a wraparound out into the backyard, which we'll cover here in just a couple of moments. So as we continue our walk through, we'll come up to the dining room again, up to the top of the stairs, take a look to the right. So this whole wall right here has been blown out to give that really open feel, which is super nice. We get over here into the kitchen. Love the floors. Looks really, really good in here. Everything, like I said, this house has been fully remodeled, which is really great. So when you move in here, it's like buying a new house, which is awesome. Stainless steel appliances. You've got the 5-burner stove, which is really, really nice. Beautiful KitchenAid appliances here. Side-by-side refrigerator, or actually dual-door fridge, freezer on the bottom, and then you have the view out into your backyard. So this is gonna be really great for entertaining because you can open up all these windows here. If you have people outside and having a good time for a birthday party or a family celebration. And then we come right over here and we do have an additional pantry. So not only do you have all of this cabinet storage, which you can see on both sides of this huge kitchen. I mean, look at how big this kitchen is. And then of course you have the pass-through right there to the dining room. Great pantry here. Tons and tons of storage for all of your larger items. And then over here you have an additional bonus room. You can use your imagination. You can use this for whatever you want. You can get some really high, maybe potential bar stools here or something. You have your little game room down here. Also over here, we do have the laundry room, and you got the big giant washer dryers, tons of space for your linens there. And you do also have access to the backyard here. We're gonna take a look at the backyard. So you have backyard access here. You have backyard access there. And then of course in the kitchen, you have tons of backyard window access. And then as we come down here, we do have this really cool Jack and Jill bathroom, which connects to the downstairs bedroom. There is 1 bedroom downstairs, 3 bedrooms upstairs. I really like the gold finishes. Adds a really nice touch to it. And coming back over here to bedroom number 1. So this is the bedroom number 1. And again, the Jack and Jill bathroom. And this one does have a really cool exit out onto a little morning patio. So you can go out here, take a look, or if you want to just open the door for the breeze. Really cool little spot. And this does wrap around into your backyard, which is nice. All right, so now we'll go ahead and head upstairs. Oh, before we go upstairs, as I was talking before, really cool here. So as I mentioned, you can come in, you have the stairs, you can walk up through the driveway, but this does have an attached 2-car garage, and it is finished, which is really, really nice. So as you can see, the floors have been finished. Come on down here and take a look. Boom. So really, really nice garage. Tons of storage room here. Cabinetry's finished out for you as well. It does also have a full home water filtration system, which is important. And let's go ahead and head back upstairs to the main level. Then we'll head upstairs to the official second floor. So you can see the rest of the house and the spectacular view. Wait till we get to the view, by the way, from the master. It's really, really nice. And also, if you have kids, one of your kids or two are going to be really lucky and score the sickest bedroom ever in this house with a really cool view of their own. So that'll be fun when you move in. Your kids are gonna be fighting which bedroom is gonna be theirs. So really cool. So as we get up here to the top of the stairs, up top of the landing, we have the balcony. And this thing is massive. I'm talking huge. You can put all kinds of furniture out here. You can also do tons of entertaining. And look at this view. So you have Main Beach, Laguna Beach. You can actually see all the way down there. San Pedro from here. That light post is in the way. We'll just leave it at that. But Catalina is also out there on a day that is not so foggy out there today. Well, it just needs to burn off that marine layer for the day. And the heat is starting to come out, which is nice. Have a little look back at the house here. By the way, if you are liking the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you would do with this house. All right, so as we walk back into the second story, to the landing, you come off the landing to the master bedroom here. The master bedroom does have access to the door there. And of course, the beautiful view from the master bedroom, which is really nice. All right, and then we'll walk up here to the master bath. Take a look at this. So as you walk up, we do have the double vanity here. Love this tub. Look how big that tub is. Really, really nice. You can definitely soak in there, have some champagne, enjoy yourself. And then also look at, so this window is mirrored on the other side for privacy, but you can actually see how you're taking your shower. You can check out the waves and see what's going on down there. Of course, we do have the closet that is built out. And again, this property, 4-bedroom, 3 bathrooms. Here's the water closet. Just under 2,500 square feet. It is also a 5,000 square foot lot. It is actually a double lot here. I want to show you this too, so that way you do see you have out of the master right onto the balcony if you want to use that as your entrance to the balcony there. Tons and tons of room. The floors, all brand new, by the way. And we'll go over here. Well, actually, we'll save that one because that's the one that I'm telling you about. Your kids are going to be fighting over. So this is going to be bedroom number 3. We'll take a look here. All right. And then we take a walk across the landing over here to bedroom number 4. And look at what they get, like this Juliet style balcony here. It's actually bigger than that, but this is cool because the kids get to come out here and they have their own epic view right outside. So check this out. Boom. You can see down there, and obviously video does not do justice to the reality of this view. It's a fantastic spot. And then we'll walk back in, take a look at, and we're going to cover the backyard here in just a moment, so stick with me. So here is the other bathroom. This will be bathroom number 3. And let's go ahead and head down to the backyard. So if you have any questions about this property, don't forget to reach out to us. I did put the listing agent information down in the description. That is Chandra Adams. Chandra Adams, she is with eXp Realty. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact her. I'm also going to be putting my contact information down there. If you have any questions for me about buying or selling anything here in Orange County, please feel free to reach out for me, or anywhere in Southern California. So now we walk out to the backyard. And as we enter the backyard, we'll take a quick look here to the left-hand side, and we'll walk over to the side of the house. You can see brand new AC system, by the way, that was put into this property. Lots of houses in Laguna Beach don't have AC, but this one, brand new upgraded home. So they did go ahead and throw in the air conditioner as well. So whole home AC, which is very nice to have. Even though the weather here is amazing, the breeze is always on point. It's just nice to have. Backyard, very cozy as well. It's got a cool little setup here where you can come and hang out, entertain in the backyard. It's got all the trees here for some privacy. Very, very nice. You can feel the breeze back here as well, which I really like. And as we walk around to the other side of the home, this will take us around to the house. This even brings you to the exit of your property in case you had to go outside this way. So if you did have a party, you could let your friends in through the gate rather than the actual house, which is nice. And boom, so there's your exit. There's your 2-car garage. This also has a cool little deck right here. It's not necessarily the backyard, but it is still out here on the side yard. Has this really cool deck that's been put out here that is right attached to the downstairs bedroom, which we covered. So that's really cool. So bedroom number 1 that we cover is right here, has this walkout patio, as you saw when we walked out. So now there's also a shower here in case you went to the beach, you got back, you brought your surfboards back, took off your wetsuit, and you wanted to get all cleaned off before you went in the house, because that's sand, you don't want to track it in the house, and you got that. So also we do have the entrance here to the dining room that we just walked through. And let's go ahead and head back in to the house.